Welcome, my students. How are you? Our lesson for today is spelling, course book page number 111, 112. Today we are going to learn a new sound with two letters that make one sound. The letters for today are O and Y. O and Y. If we pronounce each letter alone, this letter is O and this is Ya. O and Ya. When we see them together, they make the sound I. I. So, when we see the letter O and letter Y together, the sound is I. Let's practice different words with the sound I. Number 1, look at the picture. This is a boy. 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 Try to read it correctly. Boy. Boy. Number 2, look, the children. Joy. They are in joy. فرح. فرح. Joy. Look, this is a toy. Toy. Let's listen to this video.
Hello, Carrie. Do-dee-doo, let's sing. O-Y-O-Y. Boy, 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 boy. Boy, soy, boy, boy, soy. Boy, oyster, boy, boy, oyster. Boy, enjoy, boy, boy, enjoy. Boy, toy, boy, boy, toy. Boy, joy, boy, boy, joy. Boy, annoy, boy, boy, annoy. Boy, destroy, boy, boy, destroy. One more time. Boy, 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 boy. Boy, soy, boy, boy, soy. Boy, oyster, boy, boy, oyster. Boy, enjoy, boy, boy, enjoy. Boy, toy, boy, boy, toy. Annoy, boy, boy, annoy. Boy, destroy, boy, boy, destroy. One more time. Boy, 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 boy. Boy, soy, boy, boy, soy. Boy, oyster, boy, boy, oyster. Boy, enjoy, boy, boy, enjoy. Boy, toy, boy, boy, toy. Boy, joy, boy, boy, joy. Boy, annoy, boy, boy, annoy. Boy, destroy, boy, boy, destroy.
You have to know, my students, that the long I and the long I sounds are the same. They are the same. Do you remember the I sound with the letters I and I that we talked about in the previous unit؟ حكينا عنهم بالوحدة السابقة. So they make the same sound. يعطونا نفس الصوت. Toil, toy, boil, boy, boil, boy, join, joy. So here we have the long I sound, and here we have again the long I sound, and they make the same sound. يعمل نفس الصوت. Okay, let's go to the course book page number 111. Course book page number 111. Here we have more examples about the long I sound Read the words below. They have the long oi sound. You have to practice read them correctly. Number 1, boy, boy, boy. Toy, toy, toy. Soy, soy, soy. Employ, 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 employ. School boy, school boy, school boy. Joy, joy, joy. Ploy, ploy, ploy. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Annoy, annoy, annoy. Destroy, destroy, destroy. Again, I will read these words with the meaning. أحكيهم مع معانيهم. boy ولد. toy لعبة. soy صويا. employ يوظف. school boy تلميذ أو طالب. joy فرح. ploy حيلة. ploy حيلة. enjoy يستمتع. annoy يزعج. and destroy يدمر. I will read these words again for the last time. boy, toy, soy, employ, school boy, joy, ploy, enjoy, annoy, and destroy. Try to read these words, my students. Let's go to the exercise B. Circle all the words with the long oi sound in the poem. Here we have a poem in page number 111 and 112, and we will read this poem and circle the word with the long oi sound. طبعا دائرة على كلمات تحمل صوت long oi sound. The boy's face lit up with sheer joy. Here, where are the words with the long oi sound? Excellent, very good. Here we have boy, boy, here we have boy, and here we have joy. So, boy and joy. Let's complete. When on the shelf he spied the free toy. Here. Where is the word with the long oi sound? Very good. Toy, toy. Though it came with a packet of soy. Good. Here's soy with the long oi sound. How happy was that young school boy. Where is the word with the long oi sound? Very good. School boy, school boy. He even drank up all the soy. Again, where is the word with the long oi sound? Soy. Good, soy. He didn't scream or anyone annoy. Where is the word with the long oi sound? Good, annoy. Let's go to the course book, page number 112. His aunt remarked that it was a clever ploy. Where is the word with the oi sound? Very good. Ploy, as we said, حيلة. Ploy, حيلة. To get students to drink their soy. Again, here we have soy with the long oi sound. His teacher said the tricks I employ. Good, employ here with the long oi sound. Are only meant to make them enjoy healthy food. Enjoy. And the last sentence, that gives me great joy. Here we have joy. So, these are the words with the oi sound in the poem. Here we have boy, joy, toy, soy, schoolboy, soy, again here, annoy, and here we have ploy, soy, employ, enjoy, and joy. Please, my students, try to practice reading these words correctly and answer this question on page number 111 and 112, and thank you very much.